Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to fill your garden with delicious veggies this summer, stick around because today we're diving into the best vegetables to grow in July. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we've got you covered. July is here and it's the perfect time to plant some amazing vegetables that will thrive in the summer heat. You might be thinking, isn't it too late to start planting? Well, not at all. Some veggies actually love this warm weather and they're super easy to grow. Let's dig in, shall we? 1. Zucchini. First up, we have zucchini. Zucchinis are like the superheroes of the summer garden. They grow fast and you'll be harvesting them in no time. Just make sure they get plenty of sun and regular watering and you'll have more zucchinis than you know what to do with. Harvest zucchini when they're about 6 inches long for the best taste. 2. Green beans. Next on our list are green beans. These little guys are perfect for July planting. They love the warm soil and can be picked fresh off the vine. Whether you prefer bush beans or pole beans, they're easy to grow and so rewarding. Plus, they add a pop of green to your garden. Did you know? Green beans can be ready to harvest in as little as 50 days.
3. Spinach.
Spinach might not be the first vegetable you think of for summer, but certain varieties actually thrive in July. Look for heat-resistant types like Malabar or New Zealand spinach. They're perfect for fresh salads and sandwiches. Keep them well watered and provide some shade in the hottest part of the day, and they'll keep producing all season long. Pro tip, regularly pick the outer leaves to encourage continuous growth. 4. Tomatoes. Can we talk tomatoes? These summer classics absolutely love the heat and are a must-have in any garden. Whether you're into cherry tomatoes, beefsteak, or heirloom varieties, July is the perfect time to get them in the ground or give existing plants a boost. Remember to stake or cage them to support all those juicy fruits. Trim lower leaves to improve air circulation and prevent disease. All right, let's wrap it up with a powerhouse vegetable for your July garden. 5. Peppers. Peppers. These colorful veggies are perfect for the warm weather and come in so many varieties, from sweet bells to spicy chilies. Plant them in a sunny spot and watch them flourish. Peppers love the heat and will keep producing all summer long. Imagine all the fresh salsas and stir fries you can make. Final tip, pinch off the first few flowers to encourage stronger plant growth. The host stands in the garden, surrounded by blooming plants and freshly harvested vegetables. So there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic vegetables to grow in July. With a little care and attention, you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown produce in no time. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone!